Let's explore how to keep your Maruti Baleno's infotainment system up to date. There are two primary methods: USB and over-the-air OTA. USB updates are reliable for older models or when connectivity is poor. Download the latest firmware from Maruti's website onto a FAT32 formatted USB drive, 8GB plus. Plug it into your Baleno's USB port and access the update via the settings menu. OTA updates, available for 2019 plus models, are wireless. Ensure a stable Wi-Fi or cellular connection and navigate to Settings, System, Software Update on your infotainment screen. Follow the prompts for installation. OTA updates offer convenience, delivering software patches, security fixes, and feature enhancements directly to your car. Remember, always back up your data before any update. Beyond system updates, ensure your maps are also current. Maps are refreshed quarterly with real-time traffic data and points of interest. USB updates often include map updates, while OTA keeps them current automatically. For Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, ensure your phone's operating system is compatible, Android 8 or higher, or iOS 12 or higher. Wireless support, available on 2022 and newer models, requires initial Bluetooth or Wi-Fi pairing. Updates improve compatibility, reduce latency, and enhance app performance, such as with Spotify. For optimal performance, grant necessary permissions to Android Auto and CarPlay and keep your phone's apps updated. If issues arise, try repairing your device or consulting Maruti's support resources.